to switch from a tourist visa to a work visa? In this particular video, I am going to be elaborating two major possibilities. So please do not go anywhere.
Nurse Queen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again. To all of my subscribers out there, thank you all so much, and I love you all from the bottom of my heart. If you're still thinking to subscribe, please do so and join the family. You are not going to regret it. On this particular platform, I do break down migration policies and migration pathways easy for everyone to understand and follow up and do the applications on their own without needing an agent. And from time to time, you'll be seeing other diverse content. So if these are the type of things you like to see, please go ahead and join the family. Just like I promised on my previous video that I'm going to be talking about how you can switch visa from a tourist visa to a work visa. Today, we are going to be elaborating on two major pathways or two major possibilities. So without wasting much of your time, let's dig right in. The number one possibility for you to change, or for you to be able to change from a tourist visa to a work visa, it's when you actually have a humanitarian reason. If for whatever reason so far you are going through some kind of hardship, or for whatever political reasons like earthquakes, violence, war, conflict, protests, and even sexuality, and because of all these reasons mentioned above and much more, or maybe you have like a personal reason, for example, a medical issue or a particular health issue that cannot be treated in your home country, you may file into the hardship committee for the possibility for your visa to be extended. The second method is that if you are lucky to get a tourist visa for you to migrate to Malta, and you luckily find a job, which is of course a good opportunity and which will be very much easy for you because you can actually already go to the company yourself, like in person, and apply for these jobs. Once you get this particular job before your visa expires, you can apply for a work permit, and there is a greater chance or a greater probability or a greater possibility for you to be employed so long as you have a valid visa. It doesn't really matter even if it is a tourist visa or a visit visa. Let's talk about the procedure. So if you happen to get a job, what do you need to do? The first thing is that you and your employer need to apply to the authorities for your work permit. Alongside your application, you should be able to provide a curriculum vitae, which is a CV, and this CV should actually show that what you're actually doing there as a job in Malta, you have at least 3 years of work experience. The reason here is because the employer needs to prove that he has searched everywhere in Malta and he has not found anyone. So because of your 3 years experience, that is why he's employing you to work with him or to work in his company. You also need to provide, of course, your passport, and also you need to provide proof of accommodation. They need to see a proof of where you are staying. And also not forgetting your work contract with your employer, which has to be submitted alongside these documents, and this work contract should also carry the job description. Of course, your new job should have a qualification which can be recognized in Malta. Nothing, of course, goes without a fee. You'll be expected to pay a fee of about 250 euros. They will also ask you a health insurance, so they should know that you have a medical coverage, and of course a cover letter, and if possible recommendations from your previous employers. So these are, of course, the possibilities and the procedures to follow. If you found this particular information useful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification, and necessarily share this particular video. And as I always say, I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, do take care of yourselves out there. Bye bye.